In this video today, we're going to go over the main anatomical structures of the heart, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to easily label this diagram. We've got some simple tricks that will help you remember all the different structures, so let's get started. We're first going to use this cartoon diagram of the heart to walk through all of the main anatomical structures. This will help simplify things. Then once we've gone over all the main structures using this picture, we'll go back to that first diagram, and you'll see you'll be able to label the entire diagram without difficulty. Let's start with the chambers of the heart. You'll notice that there are 4 main chambers labeled 1 through 4 on the diagram. And the way we're going to simplify this is we're going to turn the heart into a square, and we're going to divide that square into 4 different boxes. These boxes will represent the chambers of the heart, and you can see that they're labeled to correlate with the diagram. Next, you'll notice that the heart can be divided into 2 sides. First, we have the right side shown in blue in the picture, and this includes chambers 1 and 2. And then we have the left side shown in red, which includes chambers 3 and 4. Next, we can divide these boxes or chambers even further. The same way we divided the 2 on the right from the 2 on the left, we can divide the 2 on the top from the 2 on the bottom. The 2 chambers on top are known as the atria, and this will include boxes 1 and 3, and the 2 chambers on the bottom are known as the ventricles, and this includes boxes 2 and 4. Now, the easy way to remember the atria are located on top and the ventricles are located on the bottom is to think of the alphabet. A comes before V, so the atria are located superiorly and the ventricles are located inferiorly. Now we have created this 2x2 table which will help us label the different chambers of the heart. Box number 1 is located in the right upper portion, so this represents the right atrium. The second box is also on the right side, but now we're in the lower region, so this represents the right ventricle. For the third box, we go back up top, so we know it's going to be an atrium, but now we're on the left side, so this represents the left atrium. Lastly, box number 4 is located in the left lower region. This is the left ventricle. Now that we have a good understanding of the 4 chambers of the heart, let's move on to the 4 main valves. The function of these valves is to prevent the backward flow of blood into the previous chamber. You'll first notice a valve located between the right atrium and the right ventricle. This is known as the tricuspid valve. Now we're going to be talking about the blood flow through the heart a little bit later on in this video and also in a different video. But when that right ventricle squeezes and pumps blood forward, the tricuspid valve prevents the backflow of blood into the right atrium. We have a similar valve on the left side, located between the left atrium and the left ventricle. This is known as the mitral valve, sometimes also referred to as the bicuspid valve. In similar story, when the left ventricle squeezes and pumps blood forward, the mitral valve is going to prevent the backflow of blood into the left atrium. Now, because the tricuspid valve and the mitral valve are located between the atria and ventricles, they're also referred to as atrioventricular valves. Now, how can you remember the tricuspid valve is located on the right side and the mitral valve is located on the left side? Well, I have 3